Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel Food and Everything Else. And if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new videos. I try to make easy to follow healthy recipes, mostly plant-based. Breakfast to dinner, snacks to dessert, almost everything. And today I'm going to share my first holiday recipe for 2018, Nutty Fruity Pilaf. Easy to make and very delicious. And of course very festive. So let's see what we need for this recipe. To make this pilaf we need 1 cup basmati rice, some small golden raisin, 3 to 4 dry apricot I cut into small pieces. I use here 2 types of nuts, raw cashews and pista. If you want, you can use almond or any other nuts you like. Then we need 1 clove garlic, 1/4 cup onion. For dried spices, I need 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cloves and 1 cinnamon stick, and half teaspoon ginger paste. Also we need 2 to 3 tablespoon vegetable oil or any other oil of your choice. Salt to your taste, half cup milk of your choice. I'm using here almond milk, and 1.5 cup water. Now put your saucepan or cooking pot on a medium heat. When pot get warm, add half of the oils and all the nuts and fruits. Let's fry it for 2 to 3 minutes and occasionally stirring it. Our nuts look like done with frying. Now let's take out from the oil and put in a separate plate and keep it in a side. Now add rest of the oils and onion. Let it fry a little bit and put all the dried spices. Fry them for 1 to 2 minutes or until onion started translucent. I am adding garlic just before add rice because garlic tends to burn quickly. Also adding ginger paste with rice so it not sprinkle all over the place. Now let them fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Before adding the water, I warm it up in microwave for 30 seconds. It's kind of prevent rice from not to sticking together. I'm adding salt and milk also, and now stir it little bit and then cover it with a lid. So when it's cooked halfway through or after 6 to 7 minutes, take off the lid and add half of the roasted nuts and fruits. I'm also using some raw extra nuts and some raisins, and it's just because I love nuts, but you can add less or more of total amount of the nuts and fruits. Then put the lid back on and let it cook for another 10 minutes or until all the liquids absorbed. Looks like my rice is done and it's perfectly cooked and fluffy also. In this point, cover it again and turn off the stove and let it sit for another 5 to 6 minutes. Before serving your rice, garnish it with our rest of nuts and dried fruits. Now our nutty fruity rice pilaf is ready to jazz up your holiday table. Hope you enjoy this recipe and give it a try. And before I leave, let me remind you one more time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Also you can check my other recipes I will be back soon with another holiday recipe. Till then, stay happy and healthy.